everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you, can we install Minecraft on Windows 7? Since Windows 7 is not supported a while, I think we cannot install the official Minecraft launcher, but we can install the uh, cracked version. So we are going to our super medium right now because I don't know if any browser we can use. Like super medium is the supported browser for Windows. So what are we doing is we are going to this. I'm so sorry that this VM, I think I only set to only 2 gigabytes, so that's why um, it is pretty much glitchy. So what shall we do is that I'm gonna just search up. You can search up any launcher you want, so I'm gonna just search up legacy one. Legacy launcher. For Windows 7. Okay, so we're gonna search it up. Okay, so we have a legacy launcher. Okay, so if we click on it, yes. Oh my god, this is loading awfully bad right now. Okay, so it's saying that I can install that launcher, but let's see. Okay, oh my god. Low access. Come on, please. I can't even cancel this, guys. What happened? Am I getting back? Um. Oh my god, this is extremely laggy. Wait, you know what? Let me just close out this tab right here. Okay, so let's download our launcher. Okay, so I hope it supports Windows 7 because this is the only launcher I know. Yeah. So okay, it's downloading. Downloading right now. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I don't even care. Let's see if this thing works. So if this thing doesn't work, okay, so it's almost downloaded. Yes, it is downloaded. So we're just going to click on it. Come on, we need to open this thing. It's 112 megabytes right now. Okay. My PC is only 2 gigabytes, so okay, so what should I do? Then file, okay, look at cancel. Let's close out our browser first. So as you can see, we are having our browser right here, so let's just download this thing. I actually downloaded updates for Windows 7, so yeah, I'll leave out a tutorial for the next video. So okay, it seems like it's gonna work. Okay, so let's create a desktop shortcut. I think it's gonna take a long time. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I, guys, maybe I think I can update the RAM and the base memory and the processing. It's only 2 cores right now, so that's why it's like running like this. So Okay. Okay. Work. It's working. It's working literally. Oh my god. Let's see if we can play Minecraft. My sorry for this, guys. My mouse glitches out a lot. Oh my. Oh my god. What the hell? I can't even. What happened to this thing right now? Let me just disconnect the mouse. Come on, please. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Wait, I actually installed Windows updates. I think caused that. Oh my goodness. I don't restart. Wait, I have two applications opened up. Let's press Control Shift and Escape. Okay, our task manager. Okay, our mouse came back. So, my God. Oh, look at the CPU usage right now. It's 67. Oh my god, it's turning up right now. What shall I do is that I need to turn off this VM and then we can. I can't even close. I can't even close out. What the heck happened to this machine right here? Oh my! It's 100. It's slowly getting worse and worse. Look at this. What the heck? One lag. Oh my god, this is too much, guys. Look at this. My computer is literally heating up right now. I think it's gonna explode. Wait, I can't close it. I can't do anything. Wait a moment. I can't. Okay. I can't even restart this machine, guys. Maybe I just need to do something. Can't even click on it. Okay, come on, please. You can show. Oh my god, finally. Okay, finally, this thing is working. Close out, please, close out. Okay, please. Or, you know what, let's just shut this thing down. And let me just try to fix this problem. Okay, so first let's go to our settings. So, as you can see, it's only 2 gigabytes. I think this computer's pressure is having too much pressure. Sorry, this VM, so let's try like maybe 4 gigabytes is nice. For the processor, let me just try maybe 3 cores. 3 is okay. If I just put maximum, this host machine is going to die. Not die like okay. Okay, we enable graphics acceleration. So I think we can install the software and actually, the launcher successfully worked out and it supported Windows 7. So I just installed the software and then we need to just open that thing and create an account. Okay, so this error came up because, oh my god damn, what the hell? I just put safe mode, it just goes on the safe mode. Yeah, it literally says not responding right here. So let's just click start normally. Because if I just select safe mode, it goes to the safe mode instead of the actual operating system. So, so I choose start Windows normally and then it's coming up. I need to make sure that I need to take care of this machine. So this is like I installed it just yesterday. Oh my god, look at that dazzling Windows logo and the glowing shining thing. This is bringing us childhood right now. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell happening? Did I just corrupt my operating system? or my VM. Okay. Have you guys seen this before? I've never seen this. Oh my gosh, it's restarting. I think it's those updates that I did not install. It usually happens, even in newer operating systems. But I only seen this first time just now. I've usually always install the updates, but usually this happens. So, oh my god. Okay, we are gonna come. It's gonna come right now. Oh my god. Look at those. Okay, what a nostalgic sound. As you can see, I told you, it's configuring our windows. So, okay, so we have to account. Let's go to my account. Okay, so we are here. Let's click at Legacy Launcher. So now I think it's working very good right now. What? I'm gonna restart. Okay, I'm gonna restart later because I'm gonna do that later. Oh my god. What the hell? Yeah, okay, I don't even care. So if I just go to the Legacy Launcher, Legacy, I can't open it. Wait a moment, my mouse is literally glitching like hell. Wait, what the heck? I didn't even click any of this. This machine is bricked. I installed so many software that it just bricked this thing. What the hell? Wait, I can't even change to my other account. Oh my god. Okay, it came back, Please God, come on, just open up. Yo, it's coming. It's coming up. Wait, what the heck? Okay, nah. What's this update? I think it's gonna do something to our machine right now, so I'm gonna just not do it. It's unstable right now. Okay, it's coming. It's fetching updates. I think it's just about to be stuck there. Oh my god. So, come on. It's coming up. It's downloading our launcher. Oh my goodness. It's coming up slowly because this thing is very old. The operating system is outdated, so yeah, that only does that. Okay, so yeah, alright, I got that. Okay, let me just remove my mask. It's doing some strange things to this VM. Okay, so okay, we are here. So what shall we do is that I'm gonna create a new account. So I'm not gonna do that online. Instead, I'm gonna do it like if I just click on add. We have two things. We can buy Minecraft, but I'm just gonna do this. So I'm gonna just like put a username playing Minecraft from Windows 7. Okay, so okay, so let me just add this account. And you can see, let's choose a supported version. So I'm not going to choose any latest version, but I'm just going to know like maybe 1.15 is okay. Or let's try Optifine because Optifine it fixes things. Come on. I can't. What the hell? Okay, so let's install this. It's installing. Okay, it's downloading sources. It's only at 2%. Okay, it's coming so fast now because I just enhanced the RAM and the CPU process. Let's wait. Okay, come on. Okay, guys. Okay, so we are here. That's almost like it finished 15. Now it's at 60. So it's out. It's literally about to finish. But we just have to leave it some time to get finished. So yeah, we like only have 200 files. I think it's gonna install some, you know, some files like corrupt. I'm just really so worried right now. Come on. Okay, it's launching our game. Okay, I hope it doesn't show any error. If it says that you should download Java, I can because it supports it. So yeah, waiting for the moment that Minecraft should load. It's 4 gigabytes, so I think it should work. Please, come on. What the hell? Oh no. This again? OpenGL. Okay, so we don't. So our driver doesn't support OpenGL, so yeah, so that's why it's not gonna work. So even though we can actually download OpenGL, yeah, it doesn't work. So if you want more videos like this, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye guys, see you at my next video. Bye. Bye everybody. Okay everybody, so we will be seeing you at my next video, so bye.